Hey guys, what's up? This is Animal Company, and my friend over there, a developer gave him these items. It's a zero gravity white crystal and sticky dynamite. Look, so it sticks. No, it sticks. And then you just pull it off.
How are you gonna get that back?
And so yeah, and this one's zero gravity. That's really cool. I'm gonna sell it and see how much it's worth. Oh crap! No. So yeah, that's sticky dynamite. But a developer gave it to my friend, and yeah, he just sold the white crystal. But yeah, so he does not want me. He does not want me to upload this video.
I heard that part.
Yeah.
We only got $78.
That's crazy, bro. But so he just gave you it?
Yeah, he just gave me it.
Like,
I still have my regular bag.
Can I see? So I want to look at that other sticky dynamite. It looked weird. Like, what's that? Can I just see it? Can I look at it?
You're looking at it right now.
Okay.
Look,
cool.
I'm not gonna deny it, but look, it's on you, and you can just pull it off.
Wait, throw it at me. I want to pull it off.
Hold on. It's on you. You're a unicorn. You're a unicorn. Yeah.
You're a unicorn.
The dynamite privileges are banned. Dog.
Oh no! I almost got his bag. Dang it! I almost got it. I gotta run and get it.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Bro.
Hope, I want to see. Wait, is that the illegal bag? Is that the illegal bag?
Yeah, it is. Now give me that.
That is?
Yeah, give me my bag back.
Wait, is this the illegal bag? Oh, wait.
Yes.
Okay, I'll give it back. I thought it was your normal bag. Let me put all your stuff back in it. Oh, cool. What's this? A picture?
Painting.
Cool. Okay.
Give me it. Bro, Xander! That's my stuff! No, that's my regular bag. This is the illegal stuff.
Well, I just emptied this one.
No, you didn't.
I did. I'll give you the bag.
Here, give me my bag back. Give me my bag back and I'll give you this.
Sticky. Hold up. Empty that out. I won't take it, but I want to see what's in my bag.
No, this is your bag.
Yeah, I know. I want to see what's in it. Look, I'll
Give
send
me
it
my
back.
bag.
I won't get it. No, I don't even think there's any. I think that bag's empty. Yeah, see? It's empty.
Give me my bag.
I would. You have illegal stuff in that one, though.
Give me my bag back, please.
But you have one bag loaded.
Do it or not friends anymore.
I can just rip that off. You're thinking about killing me with it. You can't. bad.
We're not friends anymore.
What's even in this one?
Bro, do it. We're not friends anymore, bro. Bro. Yo,
my
this kid is.
gosh. You're loaded.
Yo,
Yeah, so
get
these
all
are
that
illegal stuff, bro. They're illegal stuff.
what?
A moderator gave my friend these.
And he stole my bag.
Yep. You want one? They're illegal
Yeah, sure.
stuff. They're
You're
illegal
not
stuff.
supposed to give anyone it.
Wait. At least just one? Just one?
Yeah.
No.
Sure. Okay, hold up. Give me your bag. There you go.
Thank you.
Bro,
Oh, dang it. Hold up. Oh my god. I tried to jump it.
My bag, right? Okay.
You got it. Bro, you're literally
want
my
it back?
Jordan. You jumped up and got it.
bro, Xander, do it or we're not friends anymore. Give me it back.
Fine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna go to sewers.
Sewers? I'm gonna
Yeah.
come with you. You wanna
I'm
come?
not really.
I'm not really
no,
as
if you don't give
rich.
me my bag, I'm deleting you. I'm unfriending you and blocking you.
That's aggressive. Well, what do
You're
you have in the bag?
Lots of
Illegal stuff. Did you see that in my friend's hand? It's sticky dynamite. It's illegal too.
Oh yeah,
Stop
sticky
calling
dynamite.
me friend.
I have some of those.
Stop calling you friend. Wait, you have some? So they're not even illegal?
Yeah, they're illegal, but
See, he has some. That means some moderators give them to everybody.
wait, what if we can try to find the moderator ourselves and then we ask him?
Yeah.
What was the moderator's name?
I'm not telling you.
All right, well,
Stop.
you
Are you
gonna go
unfriending
explore
me?
the sewers?
Are you unfriending me? Cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. He left. Oh crap! Hold up. Muy hitsy boy. But yeah, so these are illegal stuff. I might.
Here's a sec.
Okay. I gotta give this backpack back to my friend. So I was just not standing out. I was just showing y'all. But yeah, so I will give this bag back to my friend. And hope y'all like this Animal Company video. And if you want me to actually check out the whole game, I will do that. So, where's my arm?
What's in his backpack?
Illegal stuff. So, bye y'all.